Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about getting those long, luscious locks you've always dreamed of. Are you struggling with slow hair growth, thinning edges, or just want longer, healthier locks in the shortest time possible? Well, you're in luck. Today we're uncovering the best DIY hacks and natural remedies to help you grow your hair longer, thicker, and healthier in just 2 months. We're talking about those tried and true natural ingredients that have been used for centuries to promote hair growth. I'm so excited to share these tips with you because I've seen amazing results myself, and I know you will too. Remember, achieving your hair goals is a journey, and it all starts with taking those first steps towards a healthier, happier you. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to transform your hair naturally. So let's jump in. Hey lovelies! Before we get into the DIYs, let's quickly talk about the science behind hair growth. Understanding this will help you see real results faster. So hair growth happens in cycles. We have the anagen phase, which is the active growing phase, and it can last anywhere from 2 to 7 years. This is where we want our hair to be for as long as possible. Then there's the catagen phase, a short transitional phase, and finally the telogen phase, where the hair rests before shedding. It's totally normal to lose some hair every day. It's all part of the natural cycle. But by understanding this cycle, we can use natural methods to encourage our hair to stay in that lovely, long anagen phase for longer. Think of it like gardening. You need to nourish the soil and give your plants the right conditions to thrive, right? Our hair is the same. We need to feed it from the inside out and create the best possible environment on our scalps to encourage healthy, strong hair growth. That's why we're going to focus on DIYs that not only nourish your hair, but also stimulate your scalp and promote blood flow, which is essential for delivering all those lovely nutrients to your hair follicles. So, are you ready to dive into these amazing DIY hair growth hacks? Let's get started. Okay, my lovelies, let's jump right into our first DIY hair growth hack, a supercharged scalp oil. This oil blend is like a magical potion for your scalp, packed with ingredients that stimulate blood flow, nourish your hair follicles, and promote healthy, rapid hair growth. So, for this recipe, you'll need a few key ingredients. First up, we have rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is incredible for hair growth. It's known to increase circulation to the scalp, which helps deliver vital nutrients to your hair follicles. Plus, it smells amazing. Next, we have castor oil. This thick, luxurious oil is a holy grail for hair growth. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which is believed to boost hair growth and prevent hair loss. It's also super hydrating and helps to soothe any scalp dryness or irritation. And finally, we have jojoba oil, a real all-rounder for hair health. Jojoba oil is actually a wax ester that closely resembles our scalp's natural sebum, so it's easily absorbed and helps to balance oil production. It's also packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish and strengthen your hair from root to tip. Now for our base oil, we're going to use sweet almond oil. It's lightweight, easily absorbed, and full of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your hair from damage. To make the oil, simply combine 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil in a small dark glass bottle. Give it a good shake to combine all the ingredients, and there you have it, your very own DIY hair growth oil. To use it, simply massage a generous amount onto your scalp and through the lengths of your hair, focusing on any areas where you're experiencing thinning or slow growth. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight for maximum benefits. Then wash and condition your hair as usual. Trust me, this oil blend is a game changer. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start to see a real difference in your hair growth. Chapter 3, DIY hack number 2, hair growth mask for longer and stronger hair. Alright, let's move on to our next DIY hair growth hack, a super nourishing and strengthening hair mask. This mask is like a big drink of water for your hair, packed with ingredients that hydrate, repair damage, and promote healthy hair growth. For this mask, we're going to use a few simple, natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First up, we have avocado. Avocado is like nature's conditioner. It's full of healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins that nourish and strengthen your hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and super shiny. Next, we have honey, a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. Honey is amazing for adding shine, smoothing frizz, and promoting a healthy scalp. Plus, it smells divine. And finally, we have coconut milk, which is rich in lauric acid, a fatty acid that penetrates the hair shaft and strengthens it from within, preventing breakage and promoting healthy growth. To make the mask, simply mash half an avocado in a bowl until smooth. Then, add 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Mix everything together until you have a smooth, creamy paste. Apply the mask to clean, damp hair, focusing on the lengths and ends. Pop on a shower cap and leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even better, an hour, to allow all those lovely nutrients to penetrate your hair. Then, rinse thoroughly with warm water and shampoo and condition as usual. This mask is incredibly hydrating and nourishing, so it's perfect for anyone with dry, damaged, or brittle hair. Use it once or twice a week for best results, and you'll be amazed at how much softer, stronger, and healthier your hair feels. Chapter 4, DIY Hack Number 3, Scalp Massage for Insane Hair Growth. Okay, are you ready for the easiest hair growth hack ever? This one is completely free and only takes a few minutes a day. I'm talking about scalp massage. It might sound too good to be true, but trust me, regular scalp massage can make a world of difference to your hair growth. Think about it. Our scalps are where our hair follicles live, and just like any other part of our body, they need good circulation to thrive. Massaging your scalp helps to increase blood flow to the hair follicles, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen that promote healthy hair growth. It also helps to loosen any tension or tightness in the scalp, which can actually restrict hair growth. So how do you give yourself a scalp massage? It's super simple. Using the pads of your fingers, apply gentle but firm pressure to your scalp in circular motions. Start at your forehead and work your way back to the nape of your neck, making sure to cover your entire scalp. You can do this on dry hair or when your hair is wet, like in the shower. I personally love to do it with a little bit of my DIY hair growth oil for an extra boost. Just warm up a few drops of oil in your hands and massage it into your scalp for a few minutes each day. It's so relaxing and feels amazing, and it's such a simple yet effective way to stimulate hair growth. Make it a part of your daily routine and you'll be amazed at the results. Chapter 5, DIY Hack Number 4, Hair Growth Foods for Faster Results. Alright, for our final DIY hair growth hack, let's talk about what we're putting into our bodies. Because you know what they say, you are what you eat, and that definitely applies to our hair. Just like we need to nourish our hair from the outside with masks and oils, we also need to feed it from the inside out with a healthy, balanced diet. So let's talk about some of the best foods for promoting hair growth. First up, we have protein. Hair is made up of protein, so it makes sense that we need to eat enough protein to support healthy hair growth. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and nuts. These are all great sources of protein that will give your hair the building blocks it needs to grow long and strong. Next, we have healthy fats. Remember how we talked about how much our hair loves oils? Well, it loves healthy fats just as much. Foods like avocados, salmon, nuts, and seeds are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. And of course, we can't forget about fruits and vegetables. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health, including hair health. So make sure you're eating plenty of colorful fruits and veggies every day. Some of my favorites for hair growth are spinach, which is rich in iron, a mineral that's essential for carrying oxygen to the hair follicles. Sweet potatoes, which are a great source of beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A, a vitamin that's essential for cell growth and repair, and berries, which are packed with antioxidants that help protect our hair from damage. So, there you have it. By incorporating these hair-healthy foods into your diet, you'll be giving your hair the nutrients it needs to grow long, strong, and healthy. That's a wrap. That's it for today's video. Which DIY hack are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I had so much fun sharing these tips with you, and I really hope you found them helpful. Like and subscribe for more hair growth tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Share your progress using #DYHairGrowthChallenge. I can't wait to see your amazing hair transformations. Follow me on your social media for more natural beauty hacks. Thanks for watching. Stay consistent, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!